All right, good Thursday morning. Thanks for checking out this Iowa forecast update here. We're looking at the storm system coming in here later on today and through Friday, bringing rain, possibly even thunderstorms, and even watching for a little bit of freezing rain out of this too. So as we look at our wind, by around noon today, we're dealing with a south-southeasterly wind, generally about 10 to 15, maybe even closer, sustained 17 to 20 here in some spots across central to eastern Iowa here. May have some gusts near, let's say, 25 to 30 at times. But as that cold front begins to work through here by later this afternoon, this is going to be around 5 p.m. Here's your cold front. You're going to switch the wind around to the northwest from the south to the northwest, and still going to be gusting up there. I would say near 25 miles per hour here, especially into extreme western Iowa. We get into Friday here. We'll see wind gusts 25 to 30, sustained out of the northwest again, 10 to 15, maybe even near 17 sustained at times. As we look at our temperatures, these are kind of highs around noon today. And then as that cold front begins to work through here, we'll drop temperatures across western Iowa. That trend will continue farther to the east as you get into the overnight period tonight. So as we get into about 7 p.m. this evening, here's kind of what things look like. We're going down there in the 40s, possibly even the 30s there in extreme northwest Iowa. We get down there into about 10 o'clock tonight, and you'll notice the cold front just continues to advance to the east. Here's through about 4 a.m. Friday. And then as we get through about 8 a.m. Friday, a lot of areas here in the 20s across northwest Iowa, looking at 40s across central Iowa, 50s off to the east here. And then as we get into about early afternoon on Friday, here's what highs are kind of looking like. We're seeing 30s off to the west, 40s, 50s farther to the east. So as we get into late this morning, we'll start working in some rain showers across southwest Iowa. That will continue to work off to the northeast and expand as you get especially into, I would say, mid to late afternoon here. We'll see rain showers expand across west to central Iowa. And then as you go into the evening, it's just basically scattered rain shower activity through the overnight period. We'll see that change over to a brief round of freezing rain. I think somewhere between, I would say, 2 to 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then we have like a mixed bag of precipitation here. We're talking snow, sleet, freezing rain, and even rain all in this cluster here across west central Iowa. That will move off to the east-northeast into north central Iowa through Friday morning. And I think things are going to be drying up across northwest Iowa as early as noon, maybe even a little bit before that as we get closer. So rain continues to work off to the east as the Friday afternoon goes on, and then the system will exit. This is about 11 a.m. on Friday. So you can kind of see most of the precipitation across west central to northwest Iowa pretty much wrapped up. So it's just going to be a late this afternoon and through tomorrow morning event for northwest Iowa in terms. So as we look at the forecast going forward here, we'll watch for maybe a few scattered rain showers here on Monday into Tuesday of next week. Otherwise, that's really about it at the moment. We'll just kind of continue to watch it. All right, here's highs on Friday. Again, I think these can be cut back just a little bit, looking at 30s off to the west, 40s, 50s off to the east. And then we'll look at Saturday, generally looking at 40s, lower 50s. We go into Sunday, and that's when we start warming up into the 50s, lower 60s. Monday, even warmer yet, seeing 60s, lower 70s. And then as we get into Tuesday, we kind of have to continue to fine-tune this. I think these numbers can get crunched just a little bit. In other words, I think they can go down a little bit here as we get into early next week. But I do think we do have 60s, maybe even some lower 70s, middle 70s, especially across southern Iowa on the table on Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, just generally upper 50s, lower 60s through the rest of next week. So yeah, definitely going to be a nice week ahead. Like I said, we do have that rain chance, though, coming in on Monday and Tuesday. So we'll keep an eye on that, keep you updated. Have a great day.